Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this quick tutorial I show you how to make a magic ring or magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your fingers so you have one string beneath them and two on top of them. Hold the end in place with your thumb and the working end with your pinky. Now move your hook under the first string and pick up the yarn, pull it through, twist your hook and pick up the second string again. Now carefully pull it through the loop you just created. And there you go. Now carefully remove your fingers and here's your magic ring. Now you need to crochet into it depending on your pattern. In this case I will single crochet 6 into the magic ring. Make sure to crochet over both of the strings, the circle and the end. That's 3, 4, 5, and 6. So once you're done, take the end and pull it tight. And there you go, done is your magic ring. Now you can start crocheting in a round. Please let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll never miss a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!